Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear students. Our today's topic is what is jurisprudence. The word jurisprudence firstly appeared in English language in 1628. Etymologically, the word jurisprudence is derived from Latin word jurisprudentia. In 27 BC, the Roman Republic became the Roman Empire. The adopted son of Julius Caesar, Augustus, became the emperor, and he got the autocratic authority to change or make the laws as he wished. The body of Roman laws was very complex, and he deputed a group of highly talented and skilled lawyers to interpret the laws, and they were called jurisprudents. Jurisprudentia is also called jurisprudentia naturalis. Semantically, juris means law, prudentia means foresight, forethought, wisdom, skill, or knowledge. Naturalis means pertaining to some things, nature, or qualities. Austin defined jurisprudence as the science of positive law. Positive law is the aggregate of positive laws and commands, sanctional commands of the sovereign. Solomon defined jurisprudence as the science of very first principles of civil law. So, in jurisprudence, we seek to know, to explain, to criticize the laws. Jurisprudence compare and collate religion, literature, economics, and other social sciences. Jurisprudence also explores the historical, natural, theoretical, and structural basis of the law. According to German knowledge, the whole legal knowledge is jurisprudence. And in jurisprudence, we try to seek to analyze the legal bodies, and we try to answer the questions asked by a layman, like what is law, how did law emerge, is law science or humanity or neither, how judges decide, and additionally there is also a French expression, law jurisprudence, which means case law or judges made laws. Law jurisprudence is different in sense as compared to the jurisprudence. So, jurisprudence is a science of law in which we analyze, we explain, and we criticize the legal bodies.